Hallo Leute, was magst du heute? Seit heute? Für mich, ich bin hier im Wald, ähm, in, in Österreich. Ja, ich wandere alleine im Wald in Österreich. Yeah, I'm hiking alone in the forest in Austria, somewhere in Austria. So I'm having like the fun of my life. This is one of my go-to, like one of my best places on the list now. I came here for the first time today. So on the list of all the places I've been to in Germany, like Le Constance is like top, is competing for the top, position. And you can imagine if I'd come here with my friends.